Find or read reviews that people are talking about SKGR8, smartwatches for men, answer/make call, Alexa built-in, 1.8-inch fitness tracker with running courses, heart rate sleep SpO2 monitor. IP68 waterproof, military smartwatch for Android iPhone 2023. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Rugged military smartwatch. SKGR8 smartwatch consists of a metal bezel and a composite center frame. It has passed several military-grade tests, such as extreme temperature, low pressure, dust-proof, etc. It can be used in harsh environmental conditions. SKG Men's military smartwatch is equipped with a large 1.8-inch HD screen with a resolution of up to 240x284, providing you with a better visual experience and a smoother operating experience. Make/answer call and notifications, SKG smartwatch with text and call features. High-quality speakers that support making and receiving calls and even playing music. Your wrist will vibrate when you receive calls and messages, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter and more, so you never miss an important call or message again. Alexa built-in. Amazon Alexa on men's military smartwatch takes your hands off your phone. Just talk to your watch, then you can ask questions, control music, check the weather, set alarms, timers, and more, all from the convenience of Alexa on your wrist. 6 running courses and 100 sports modes. SKGR8 pedometer watch is built in 6 professional running courses to improve your running ability through step-by-step running exercises. 100 sports modes, including walking, running, basketball, soccer, cycling, jumping rope, hiking and so on. Let you easily record steps, calories burned, distance, speed. 24 hours heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking. SKG Health Monitor watch features 24-hour real-time heart rate detection. Blood oxygen and sleep quality. You can monitor the feedback data to know your health status and improve your sleep quality at the same time. If you want to get full highlight features and /or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.